Hey everybody, this is Kelly Hans, and I just came to you to make another video. Um, it's gonna be Evening Chronicles. I haven't done it in a while. I just want to talk about out in these YouTube streets. So today I was listening to DKL, and I was listening to Treasure Lane, or some people also know him as Billboard TV. I was listening to him, and in the morning, it was early in the morning. He was talking about what's his name, Rico. And so I went to bed this morning, got up, and I watched it again. And apparently, I haven't seen the video. The only video I have seen was when on DKL's chat, and DKL showed that cat saying saving grace and ran out the door. That was the only time I've seen the cat, the only video I've seen about Rico the cat. But some people say that last night Rico did a live, and he was talking about, well, not really talking about, I guess the cat bit him, is my understanding. And when the cat bit him, he punched the cat, which doesn't make any sense, because me personally, I do not like animals at all, but even I know that cats play around, messing around with each other. They do that. They play fight, but not enough to punch him. People do not play about their animals. Dogs, cats, they even have insurance on dogs. So they don't play about any of that. My guessing is he got arrested. From what I've heard, he got arrested. And I don't know. I've seen a few of his videos, of Rico's videos, but I think it's starting to get to the point now where it's ridiculous. It literally is ridiculous, because he does this a lot. I remember one time I watched a video and he was drinking like 2 beers or something. I'm not sure, but hopefully Rico will get better. Hopefully, I'm hoping he gets better. So that's all I'm gonna say on that. Another topic I want to talk about is the WWE. I haven't seen the WWE, either SmackDown or Raw, since (2008). I'm gonna say 2008, because I couldn't watch it after Chris Benoit died. I couldn't watch it after that. I was just done completely with wrestling as a whole. But I just learned from last week that that the WWE has released 83 people. And I'm looking at the list over who's gone, and I just find it ridiculous. But again, I haven't seen wrestling since 10 or so years, but if it's a passion that's like, okay, like some people, like I grew up with, um, The Rock, John Cena, Batista, um, Kennedy, Kane, Stone Cold. Well, just about everybody grew up with Stone Cold and wrestlers like that. And is it because WWE, is their budget going down? Like I can see Corona, but the pandemic, having just a little bit to do with it. But to have literally your dream of being a wrestler, and then all of a sudden you get a letter, or you've been in the game for like 5 or 6 years, and all of a sudden they just say, oh, well, we don't need you anymore, you're fired, basically. Wrestling hasn't been the same to me, even whether it's fake or not. I don't know what's going on in them chairs, what they're doing, but I'm not here for it. They were talking about this man named Nick. I guess he's the president who does the bookings, I guess, or the budget, or something. I don't know what he does. But even he said, well, it's just a temporary contract. Well, to you it is because you have the money. But to someone who's, whether it's their dream or just like, well, I need to do this for my family, it's not like that. They let a lot of people go. I just found out they let go Samoa Joe. But then Triple H said, no, you're not taking him, bring him back here. So now they rehired him again. Last August, they let go of Ric Flair. He's not there no more. Which I don't know. But that's mainly what it was with the releases. I'm not going to watch it. I mean, after what I've heard about the releases and everything, I don't see no point in watching it. These wrestlers had a dream to do what they do, and the fact that even so that they are literally just taking it from their hand, like literally. But anyway, I just find that ridiculous. Demon Slayer. Last night I watched the episode. It was so good. A couple of things. TV. I said I'm gonna start back doing TV reviews. I'm also gonna do a movie review, because I'm gonna get to TV reviews in a little bit. But they're gonna have TV reviews for not TV review, a movie review for a Lifetime movie that I'm going to see on the 5th. I think it's the 5th. It's called Single Black Female. So I said, okay. I watched the trailer of this movie, and I'm going to have to see it to watch it, and I'm most definitely going to get a review on it. But so far, it sounds like someone grabbed your hand, covered it in gasoline, and just set it on fire and then put it out in water. I'm kind of iffy on this, but I'm going to watch it and give my review on it. But mainly what I'm understanding is a woman, she runs a successful company. And then after that, a woman becomes a new secretary. And, this other black woman, she's saying that, she's a single black female. and she's basically saying that no one will choose her. Now, I'm going to have to watch it because I'm either going to do one or two things. I'm either going to approve of it or I'm going to roast it. And mainly I'm leaning towards roasting it because I know a lot of times can make some good movies, like one every year, but it's not even the end of 2022 and you're already putting out this mess. So I'm willing to give it a shot. I'm going to watch it. Keep your eye open for my review on it because I will be watching it. TV shows. I said I was going to do the Real Housewives of Potomac. I'm also going to do another TV show supposed to come on tomorrow called Naomi. It looks really, really good. Batwoman, I'm not going to see because it's trash. Really, I haven't seen any at all TV shows that's actually really, really good. It's either a reboot of some movie from the 70s or TV show mainly from the 70s and 80s, or it's just a crap show sequel to a TV show no one has ever seen. Like Walker. I've never seen an episode of Walker ever. I've never seen an episode of Walker. Now, Texas Ranger, I will watch to death. But Walker, no. I would not watch it. I won't watch that. I won't watch that TV show with all them people running and some statues talking to them. I won't watch that. No, I won't watch that. I'm surprised they haven't remade Baywatch. They said they're going to remake Bel Air. For the Fresh Prince of Bel Air, there's going to have one called Bel Air. I'm not going to watch that at all. I'm just not. I think it's because I gotten used to all of the TV shows I grew up as a kid, and I enjoyed watching them. And I think it's one of those things where if I grew up with it, I want to share it with my kids so they can get the experience of it, Nothing is the same. Cartoons is not the same. It's just not, I don't know, it's just not the same anymore. I mean, even with the reboots, you don't get that remake of what you had a long time ago. But anyway, I will watch that tomorrow. Naomi, watch her tomorrow. Superman is supposed to come out, I think, next month. Either next month or this month. I forgot which month it was, but it's going to be out sometime soon. I might do a review on that. But all I know is going to talk about. Last night, I tried to watch The Real Housewives of Potomac, and I couldn't get through 10 minutes, but it was good. It was okay. It wasn't that bad. But it just kind of didn't make no sense to me. I'm probably going to have to rewatch it again. Speaking of TV shows, my favorite TV show of all time, Terror Lake Drive, is coming back. Terror Lake Drive and The Boys is coming back. Now, that's going to be over the summer. That's most definitely going to be in my top 2 reviews of the summer. Especially Terror Lake Drive. If you haven't seen any of the episodes, you can go to allblacktv.com, or I have a review of every single Terror Lake Drive from season 1, all of it. You can watch that. It is very, very good. Mainly from what I understand from Terror Lake Drive season 2 was that now it's going to be a traveling nurse, and she's going to stay in the same apartments as our previous predecessors, previous people were, the family and the son. So I'm hoping Corey will be back. My review is going to be on that most definitely. That next month also is going to be Power. I am very, very excited to see Power because I want to see I just want to see a period. Tommy finally got his own spinoff, and I'm gonna watch it. I'm here for it. And what else? I think that's pretty much it, to be honest. I mean, I haven't seen WWE, not gonna see that. Hopefully the coronavirus will die down. Hopefully, I'm hoping. But that's pretty much it. That's pretty much all I have in general. All I want to talk about. Wait, speaking of the coronavirus, sorry, I'm just rambling all over the place because it's been a crazy day. But speaking of the corona, I was reading some of my local news, and apparently, I don't know how this is, but they have found, they were testing the water in Tulsa. They have found Omicron in the wastewater. How did they find? I have no idea. One person said one sample had 60% of the virus in the wastewater. So at this point, I'm just like, okay, what is going on? Because I have never in my whole life heard this. I never knew, could known, a virus could travel in the water. But people are getting sick with the virus. It's starting to get worse and worse. And I'm hoping and praying that it will get better for everybody. Because it's not worth it. But anyway, that's pretty much all I have. I will be on here tomorrow to ramble some more, because I haven't been on for 2 weeks. But I will come on again, and hopefully they'll get the whole water situation under control, because that don't make no sense in nobody's book. And I don't know if they're gonna have to heat it up or what. But anyway, that's pretty much all I have. Thank you guys for listening. Talk to you guys later. Thanks and bye-bye.